how to set your photo, simple photo in any backgrounds. So this is your background and your simple photo will be adjusted here. So I will teach you how to make changes in your photos from Kinemaster. First of all, you will select a background in Kinemaster, and if you want to adjust brightness or make changes in your background, then you will click on filter, then adjustment. So friends, first of all you will select on layer, then select a photo. Look, this photo I will remove this photo's background from magic remover. See, this photo can adjust here. So I am adjusting this photo here and I have changed this photo's background. Look, it's looking like beautiful. So if you wanna make another changes, look, these two photo can adjust here. See, so you can adjust your photo in any background from Kinemaster. So see, you will adjust your photo and crop resize all. So first of all you will select on crop, then enable, then you can adjust your photo in background. Look, it's looking, this photo is here. So background has removed and all colors are matching. If you want to change any or make beautiful photo or change any colors, you can click. See, this photo is looking so beautiful. So you can make your photos changes from Kinemaster look like this. So friends, see, this photo is looking so very cute. So friends, if you like my video, please like, share, subscribe and comment, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.